Want to learn how to create a Wikipedia page? You're in the right place. Wikipedia articles are valuable resources that can help support your online profile and can boost your online reputation. Wikipedia account creation. Make sure you have signed up for an account on Wikipedia before you begin creating new pages. Having a registered Wikipedia account provides higher quality information about your business and can gain the trust of consumers. This alone should be enough reason for you to start creating a business page right away. As for how to start creating your page, proceed by clicking on Create an Account located on the top right corner of the platform. You can create pages to suit your company or individual needs, provided they meet the editorial guidelines and formatting of the site. You can even add to existing pages or contribute to a user page with your account. Develop a reputation. If you want to know how to create a Wikipedia page, you should begin with some minor edits to prove that you are an active user. Editing content is also an excellent way to become familiar with the tools, the format, and the platform guidelines before you are ready to tackle the creation of your pages. After having contributed with around 10 edits that stick, and your account is older than 4 days, you will usually get promoted to a verified Wikipedia editor. This means your edits are confirmed without moderation. The more practical improvements Wikipedia can see from your account, you are less likely to have your page questioned or deleted. Wikipedia provides a helpful visual editor to make the page editing process that much easier, and useful tips are available from other users around the world. Having your edits questioned or deleted is the last thing you need after going through all of the effort of creating a registered user profile. By adhering to the guidelines and by contributing helpful content in the form of edits, you are building trust within the Wiki community. Determine content. When thinking about how to create a Wikipedia page, keep in mind that Wikipedia is a professional forum and each wiki page is designed to be a reliable source of information. When users search for the desired keywords or topics, they trust the article they are reading to supply them with the correct answers. Remember this as you publish content on your page and create your table of contents. Do not publish something that sounds good. An article should not stand in for press releases or advertising outlets, but publish facts and information you think your readers might want to know. Also, it would be best if you decided what angle you are going to follow when making a page for your company. Try to add specific information for your company alone, such as competitive advantages, service/product offerings, or case studies. Here, you can tell your story and build your brand in a distinctive and resonant way. The goal is to make your information page as personable as possible. If you post generic content, customers will either ignore it or search third-party sites with more content than yours. Another tip when creating your page is to follow the red links. A red link is a link on Wikipedia which has not been created yet. Need help? NetReputation is a trusted resource for individuals and business owners who want to take advantage of their online reputations. Our experts can help you build your brand, restore a damaged reputation, or improve your online visibility in search. Visit our website to learn more. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.